Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. Thank you for coming. I'm K&G TV, where we do celebrity news and social media wahala. I saw this video on the internet. I thought it wise to bring it to us all. I don't know what you think about the video, but please just watch to the end. Leave your comments in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Click the like button and the notification bell, and I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. One love.
Engineer Joe Igbokwe, thank you for your time today.
Thank you for having me.
So, you post one very dramatic picture when you hear of the arrest of IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Very dramatic picture. You raise your hands into the air and you begin to thank God for what you say happened at that moment. What did they go through your mind?
He said on Radio Biafra that if they see me, his boys, they should behead me and kill all my children, destroy my home. And, you know, I played it down, but I put my life in the hands of God, that of my family. Because I was asking myself, has it gotten to this? That you cannot hear, voices that are not saying, no, we can't go this way. I'm older than him. I saw the Civil War. He didn't see the Civil War. I know what we went through. I didn't go to school during the Civil War. I was in primary 6, primary 5, when war started in 1967. And after the war, I started again in primary 5. I went back to starting with primary 5. And I understand what played out, the casualties, the pains, the tears, the losses. My father lost his business for that 3 years. And we said, do we have to go through this way again? I haven't seen it all, because I know what he does not know. I have seen what he has not seen. I have the experience. I wrote it was 25 years after Biafra, a book in 1995. I don't know how old he was then. I just dropped another one 50 years after Biafra last month. So I have seen it all, experienced, and I have history behind me. So has it come to this that if you have dissent voices, then the person will have to be killed? That's why I knelt down. He said I knelt down. He could have been worse. Many people died. Killed many people. I said, no, I'm not celebrating there. I'm just thanking God that at least I may be a little bit free. That was only to them. Again, I'm looking at the big picture too. Do we have to go this way again? Because my people will say, if elders are not at home, children may wear snakes and call it necklaces.
You talk about the pains of that civil war, and some people will talk, say, now because of the memories of that pain since after then, they talk about marginalization and talk about how the state never maybe truly compensates some of those losses, and that's why people like Nnamdi Kanu and the others, the call for a separation from these states where they talk, say, no get their interest at heart.
It's not the option. You negotiate. You go to the conference table to negotiate. Because you may say, we have been marginalized, yes. After all, we have the least number of states. When you compare us with the other zones, It's denying us a lot of things. But if you place the three major ethnic groups on the table, Igbo is not the last. In terms of anything.
In terms of anything?
Anything. Education, wealth, cash. We're not the last. I won't tell you we are the first, but I won't tell you that we are the last.
You talk about cash and make you look along that line. The enterprising spirit.
Enterprising. It's our culture.
Exactly.
Tradition.
Exactly. And some people will say that because of the work of the Igbos, not because of anything what the federal government helped them with.
But you are not doing, they're not doing the business in the southeast. You are doing the business across. Everywhere. Now there will they do the business. Oh. Lagos here, it's too much. Oh. Investment is too much. Abuja, the same. Sokoto, Kaduna, the same. They are widely traveled people. It's their tradition, it's a culture. So they need a space. If you can go and invest in Cameroon. I know my brothers who lived in Cameroon for years. You can go to Ghana, you can go to anywhere. Why are you asking for a small space? It means that the place you're operating is too small for you. That's why you're moving. There's no ethnic group in Nigeria that has widely traveled as our people. They go to a place. We are nobody. They will just set up a business. It may be a supermarket, it may be a medicine store. Before you know it, you buy land there, build a house. So what we are saying as people who know businessmen is that Nigeria provides a big space for Igbo enterprise to thrive, not a small space, because of the nature of our people.
And you don't be very clear about your stance of not supporting Biafra. Perhaps, because of this thing where you talk about a small space.
Small space, I can advance so many reasons. I can advance other reasons why it must not be. There has been intermarriages, inter-ethnic marriages across. Yeah, friendship with other Nigerians. Some people, their mothers are Igbo. Their fathers Hausas. And their daughters are, just like that, across. The other day we just gave Kochari's first son went to marry somebody from Igbokwe. So there's inter-ethnic relationship that is so interwoven, so linked together for years that you cannot, like somebody like Ikenwachuku. The mother is Igbo. The father is Igbo. The mother is Hausa, and he's marrying a Yoruba woman. Where will he go? You see, let us borrow a leaf from Rwanda. Make we go to Rwanda, go see how they Tutsis, 10%, Hutus, 90%. They fought a war. They killed almost 1 million people. Today, they have learned from their mistakes. And they said they don't want anybody to mention it. If you are filling a form, go put, say, you be Tutsi or Hutu. You go just sign as a Rwandan. They say, where are you from? They say, I'm a Rwandan. I'm not Hutu. I'm not Hutus. I'm not Tutsi. I'm a Rwandan. That's how to build. Somebody said, if you want to build a nation, you go kill tribe. My tribe, my tribe, my tribe. You go kill tribe.
So if not Biafra, how you go propose, say, make these issues of marginalization where the Southeast they complain about, and indeed other regions, other ethnic groups they complain. How you go propose make them solve this issue?
The only thing I want federal government to do is to give Igbo people additional states. I've been advocating for that for years now. Just one state. Because we work hard in this country. We built Abuja. Sizable number of Abuja, we built it. If all the governors gather here in Nigeria, all the 36 governors will be the list, 5. Others have 6. One zone has 7. When they give us that 6-1, I'm going to be the governor. I'm going to be the governor. I don't work for it. It means that immediately we'll have 6 governors. We'll have senators. We'll have more House of Rep members, 3 more senators, 6 or 7, 8 House of Representatives. 1 state assembly. 1 state capital. 1 university. Take-off capital. More local governments. So many things will open up. 12,000 jobs will be created immediately. And there will be instant development in that area.